How to become a Canva creator. So first of all, just go ahead to your preferred browser and search for the Canva creator program. It's much easier to do it here since it should just bring you automatically to the page. And if your Canva is already signed in, that's going to be much better to just avoid this later on. Now go ahead and press on the first website that pops out. It should be that one. And then there's a lot here you can read, like who can become a Canva creator and how to become one. But once here, just go ahead and press on become a creator. It's gonna bring you back to the Canva website, and it's gonna ask you which suits you or sounds like you the most. There's a designer and teacher right now, but the business option is somewhat closed for now. So you're gonna choose from the available options and then press on continue. So select your creatives. Depends on you. You can choose as much as possible and then press on continue. Your entry level or your level, I mean, how good you are at this. Maybe you are mid level, senior, or an expert. So just go ahead and choose whichever suits you. And then your creative interests. You're gonna take a look at the options if you'd like. So in our case, let's just go with that one. Press and continue. Again, it's just take a look which suits you and your goals. Just go ahead and press and continue, and then you're gonna have to put in your name, your last name, a URL to your design work, since they're gonna have to see if it's valid enough for you to become a Canva creator, your country of residence, how you learned about the Canva creators program, language proficiency, and more details about your design experience. Make sure you toggle that one as well. So before submitting, you can double check the sharing settings to make sure they have access to your content, which is the designs over here. And there's going to be submissions guidelines as well to make sure you don't violate any of these. You're going to make sure you read that first. And then once you have everything settled done, you can go ahead and press and submit. And if they accept you, you can become an official Canva creator. So to be one, you're going to have to be accepted by them. So make sure your design work is pretty good. Maybe you add some cats or something like this over here, but that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.